Hello ladies and gentlemen. NASA astronaut Jessica Watkins will soon make history as she becomes the first black woman to head to the International Space Station. Watkins was announced as the fourth crew member of the upcoming SpaceX Crew-4 mission to the ISS. It will be Watkins' first trip to space, where she will spend 6 months carrying out science experiments. The Crew-4 will launch in April 2022 on a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. Watkins was born in Maryland but calls Colorado her hometown. The astronaut studied geological and environmental sciences at Stanford University and earned a doctorate in geology from the University of California, Los Angeles. Geology is the study of Earth's structure and materials, and Watkins says, "My fellow astronauts would describe me as a rock nerd." Dr. Watkins was selected to join the NASA astronaut candidate class in 2017 and completed 2 years of training as an astronaut candidate. As part of her preparation to become an astronaut, she had flight training, water and wilderness survival training, and spacewalks practices. Most recently, Watkins has been working as part of the science team for NASA's Mars rover Curiosity. When Watkins isn't preparing to head into space, she enjoys rugby, basketball, football, skiing, movies, and writing. Watkins told the New York Times that she hopes to this mission into space will set an example of ways that they can participate and succeed for young girls of color. Watkins follows many other African Americans who have made history in space. Guyon Bluford became the first African American to fly in space on a mission in 1983. The first African American woman to travel into space was Dr. Mary Carol Jamison in 1992. After that, in 1995, Bernard Harris became the first African American to perform a spacewalk. The missions Watkins will join NASA astronauts Jill Lindgren and Robert Hines, as well European Space Agency astronaut Samantha Cristoforetti on the mission. The ISS has been orbiting Earth for more than 21 years. The crew will live and work there, conducting science experiments, testing new technologies, and doing research that isn't possible on Earth. So if you are looking forward towards more interesting news, don't forget to subscribe and comment.